What's up, what's up, what's up? This edition of Fat Boy Fresh, we're gonna be doing a vegan cream of mushroom soup. Boy, how you do that? Let me show you something, let me learn you something. Come on in, on your meatless Monday edition. Fat Boy. Tired of the same old same, my plate is lame. Who's gonna change the game? Fat Boy Fresh. Yep. Dat Boy Fresh. Red one, bread two, check. Fat Boy. That Boy Fresh. Yup. Fat Boy Fresh. Okay, so this is our main ingredients. We don't need too much. I'm just gonna show you what kind of mushrooms we got here. I got some shiitake mushrooms. Pardon self. Got some oyster mushrooms, one Irish potato, an onion. Not gonna need all of it. I don't know, maybe half an onion. I like garlic. So I got tree clove, garlic. I like garlic, so garlic good for you. Use that garlic. A little olive oil, some black pepper, sea salt, and some all-purpose flour. That's about a quarter cup. Oh, almost forgot. Star the shit on. Bang, coconut milk. All right, so let's get to it. Let's clean up these mushrooms. All right, bust this sucker open. Boom. Next, buddy. Bust this sucker open. Boom. Alright. We good money. Alright, we got them all cleaned up. So that's good to go. Boom, next step. Alright, so let's get to this onion. Little onion. Cut this sucker in half. Bust your cantaloupe, son. I like white onions for this. You know, a lot of times I like purple onions for a lot of recipes, but certain things I don't want the purple. I don't want a purple in this. So, white onions, Spanish white onion. Give it a nice chop. This onion gonna give it a lot of flavor. You know what I'm saying? I could have used a food processor. What's the fun in that? You know what I'm saying? What's the fun in that? What are we in the kitchen for? I mean, you know, if you want to do that, you can do that. But I like chopping shit up. My knife gang crazy, boy. Gensu. See me? Feel me? Don't be concerned. There's little pieces of onion skin in there. You know what I mean? It's organic. I mean, it's good for you. Holmes, you're out of there. I just couldn't find it, but I found it. All right, here we go. Bam. Nice. Ain't no crying in the kitchen, baby. Don't do that. All right, so we got the onion down. Boom. All right, let's get some garlic. Nah, we ain't gonna get no garlic. Hold off on that garlic. Nah, chop up the garlic. I'll tell you, boy. Hard-headed, man. Listen. Peel that skin off. You know what I'm saying? Something like that there. Something like that there. Alright. Something like that there. Third one. Now, for what I understand, with garlic, the smaller the clove, the more powerful and pungent the garlic is. Now, you can do your research. I did a little bit, and that's what I found. So, you calling me a liar? Word? Who you calling a liar, B? Okay, we get in there. So in the meantime, in between time, while that's getting all good, let's throw a little garlic in there, baby. Oh man, it's starting to smell good in here. Starting to smell good. Alright, we're here. Chop up these mushrooms. Now, a lot of people say don't use the stems. Man, that man, we're using the stems too, but just not a lot of them. Because we want this to be like a real, what they say, rustic type soup. Looking good, baby. Word the mother. Alright. Couple more of these little suckers here. You know what I'm saying? Just to let y'all know, I ain't perfect. I almost skipped a step. I actually did skip a step, but you know what? I caught myself. Jump back, kiss myself. Goddamn, too good. Here we go. Alright. Throwing them mushrooms, baby. So since we over here chopping up stuff, feeling all good about it, let's get this boy going. Yeah. And this is vegan, so I can't be mad. It's a meatless Monday, boy. Fat boy, fit it to dash. Let's go. Because they're going to take a little while to cook. We want them to get soft, and they're going to kind of thicken up stuff a little bit too. So we're going to have a nice little jump off here. So we got that. Add those mushrooms. You know what I'm saying? Let's just put that water in there. Get some more. That water coming, baby. Alright. Got that in there. Give this a quick little whirl. This don't take a lot of time either, man. Right about now, it's about time for us to say RP JMJ. Go ahead, brother. Salt to taste. The onion in there, the garlic, mushroom. You know, with the oyster mushrooms and shiitake mushrooms and flour. We're gonna let that thicken up and let that sit there for a minute. And take you to some magic. You wanna see some magic, baby? I'll show you some magic. The cream part of the cream of mushroom. So what we're gonna do, pop the top on this sucker. And I think I did that backwards, but it's alright. It's alright. It's cool. It's cool. Cause cream always rises to the top. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Grandmaster Vic. Me, Queen's finest. Southside DJs, my favorite DJs in the whole world. Team amazing. Yeah. So we got that. Rise to the top. Cream, baby. Alright, now look at that. Alright. Take this good cream from coconut. This is all cream because I had it in the refrigerator. So it's all creamed up. All the cream is out. See that? And then all the water just stays in there. And there you have the cream. We ain't done there yet. I got a sneaky little, nice little ingredient I forgot to tell you about. But it goes good with this. And Gonna give it a little extra thickness and a kick that I like. If you don't like it, you do it your way. You just leave that out. So I'm gonna let that come back up to a boil. What we have here, from a nice episode we did before, some Irish mash. It's gonna thicken this soup up nice. And you ain't gonna taste the old coconut either, because we put this in there. That's why I say it kind of tastes like clam chowder. That's clam chowder. For you other folks. And my brother man, not the other man, know what I'm talking about. And some of the other men might know. Okay. So let you see how it's going down. A nice big heaping teaspoon. Teaspoons, a ladle, boy. What's wrong with you? Put that in there. Like I said, you want it more creamy, you can add more. Another can of coconut milk. Like I said, put it in the fridge. I did it overnight. I don't know how long it takes for it to cream up like that, but I did it overnight. So now, put a little of that in there. I like black pepper, so I season it with black pepper. Look at me when I'm talking to you. If you like cream of mushroom, what? Black pepper, son. If you like cream of mushroom soup before, you should try it vegan. And this recipe right here, mean fighting machine. That boy. Tired of the same old same. My plate is lame. Who's gonna change the game? That boy fresh. Yup. That boy fresh. Red 1, bread 2, check. Fat boy. That boy fresh. Yup. Fat boy fresh. Fat boy flex. Slice, dice, and crush. You make salads and ballads and salads and maids and Italian, Asian, and Cajun. Yup. Fat boy fresh. Yeah, that boy. That